50,000 feet to 500 feet. He's operating at about 400 feet today, so it gives you some idea. It's a very nice slow roll. The secret with slower manoeuvres is to keep the nose.
Profile there, John, you can see the real difference in the shape of the wing, that rather square hurricane wing versus the elliptical Spitfire.
And if you look carefully at the Spitfire wing, it doesn't just curve and was actually a Hurricane pilot as well. Back to the Spitfire.
Oh, go on there, just drive it round the corner.
2 Victoria Crosses were won flying the Catalina.
Just imagine, John, you're in your dinghy, you've been shot down and you're fighting sharks off in the middle of the Pacific, and you see this hove into sight to come and rescue you, and that is exactly what the Catalina, one of its tasks was, and of course a very welcome sight.
But also engines as well.
I've just seen the gear go down on the Catalina, 3 greens I hope. Just coming behind you, it's a lovely sight of the Catalina just slowing itself down to make its base leg approach to land. That's a lovely sight.
Another
There you
important
go. There's a fact for you. What a lovely sight. Don't drop that torpedo, will it?
The next interesting fact is to do that.
Operated off aircraft carriers as well.